The internet lied to you. Educate, entertain, inspire, and promote are not content pillars. They are content categories. Let me show you how we build content pillars for our clients. Step 1. Discovery call. We learn everything about the client through discovery call, their competitors, target market, offers, and top-performing content. We also ask about their goals and vision because goals give direction. They help us know what kind of info to look for and what to filter out. Step 2. Research and analysis. We check social media platforms, Facebook groups, scroll through comment sections, explore hashtags, and read relevant product reviews. This helps us understand what the audience is talking about, their pain points, frustrations, and needs. We also study how competitors show up online. We look at their content, strategies, and how people respond to them. From there, we see what's working, what's missing, and what gaps our client can fill. This step allows us to spot opportunities and find ideas that connect with their audience. Step 3. Build and refine with AI. After gathering everything, we use AI to organize the info and generate content pillar ideas, which we can finalize each pillar to make sure it fits our client's branding, goals, and voice perfectly. No time for your own research and strategy for the next 6 months? Our team can do it for you in just 7 days. Message us strategy to order your strategy book. We only accept 3 orders per month, so grab your slot early.